Welcome back to our tutorial series on using Microsoft PowerPoint. Today, we'll be exploring the eyedropper tool, gradient fills, and how to apply these to shapes and slide backgrounds to create visually engaging presentations. We'll also look at how to create a seamless slide transition effect using gradient fills and the push transition. First, let's talk about the eyedropper tool. This tool is incredibly useful for matching colors exactly from one element to another. To use the eyedropper tool, select the shape or text you want to change the color of, then go to the Shape Fill or Text Fill options in the Shape Format or Text Format tab. Click on Eyedropper, and then move your cursor over the color you want to match. Click on the color, and it will be applied to your selected shape or text. If the color you want to match is not in your PowerPoint, use Windows Snip tool to take a screenshot of the color you want, and paste this into your PowerPoint. You can then go back to the eyedropper tool, extract the color from the screenshot and delete the screenshot. This is a useful way to extract branding colors from a website or other location. Next, let's explore gradient fills. Gradients allow you to create a smooth transition between multiple colors, adding depth and interest to your designs. To apply a gradient fill to a shape, select the shape, go to the Shape Fill drop-down in the Shape Format tab, and select Gradient. You'll see a variety of preset gradients to choose from. For more customization, click on More Gradients. This opens the Format Shape pane, where you can adjust the gradient stops, colors, direction, and angle to create the perfect gradient effect. You can also apply gradient fills to your slide background. Right-click on the slide background, select Format Background, and then choose Gradient Fill. Here, you can customize the gradient just as you did with shapes, ensuring a cohesive and visually appealing slide design. When modifying a gradient fill, there are several things you can do. First, the Gradient Stop slider will show you how many stops you have active. You can select a stop by clicking on it, and then you can delete it by clicking the Remove icon or modify its color by selecting the Paint Bucket icon. You can also add another gradient stop by click the Add Stop button. You can then slide these sliders back and forth to achieve the gradient you want, with as many or as few stops of color as you want. Now, let's see how we can use these techniques to create a consistent look across multiple slides. By reversing alternate gradient fills on different slides and using the push transition, you can create the illusion of a seamless, continuous slide. First, apply a gradient fill to your slide background. Then, duplicate the slide. On the duplicated slide, go to Format Background, and reverse the gradient direction. To reverse the gradient, click on the gradient stops and swap their positions. Next, go to the Transitions tab and select Push. In the Effect options, choose the direction that matches your gradient transition. When you play your presentation, the push transition combined with the reversed gradient fills will make it look like a continuous, flowing slide. This effect adds a professional touch and keeps your audience engaged. That's it for this tutorial on using the eyedropper tool and gradient fills in PowerPoint. We've covered how to match colors with the eyedropper tool, apply and customize gradient fills on shapes and slide backgrounds, and create seamless transitions between slides. These techniques will help you enhance your presentations and make them more visually appealing. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for our next tutorial.